Pomegranate is one of the fruits rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It is a fruit that greatly benefits the body in strengthening the immune system and has many properties that make you eat it daily without hesitation. The benefits of pomegranate start from its seeds, as pomegranate seeds can be used and added to many dishes and salads or used as a light or concentrated juice, which is used in many Mediterranean dishes. Its husk has long been used for tanning leather and silk in black. Pomegranate is one of the fruits rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, so eating it or drinking natural pomegranate juice has many benefits, including 1. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Pomegranate contains many important vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins B, K, A, and C, potassium, sodium, calcium, and even phosphorus. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants, making it an effective weapon in reducing the risk of various diseases and even treating them. 2. Promote oral and dental health. An American scientific study conducted by researchers at Ohio University and published in the Journal of Phytotherapy Research proved that pomegranate promotes oral and dental health and reduces the risk of gingivitis. Using a mouthwash that contains pomegranate daily for 4 weeks reduced the causes of oral diseases and reduced the level of protein that causes plaque, because the increased antioxidant activity in pomegranate contributed to preventing bacteria from sticking to the mouth. 3. Good for heart health. Another study indicated that pomegranate contributed to lowering high cholesterol and preventing the oxidation of harmful cholesterol, thus protecting against vascular blockage, heart disease and atherosclerosis. 4. It protects against cancer. As it turns out, it is rich in chemical compounds, such as polyphenol-type phytochemicals. Laboratory studies have shown that many of the components of pomegranate have the ability to limit the spread of cancer cells, due to its richness in antioxidants that contribute to strengthening the immune system and preventing cancer. 5. Rich in iron, which contributes to the prevention of many diseases. Not only that, but the iron mineral present in pomegranate in abundance helps in overcoming anemia, in addition to its various benefits, which are reducing arthritis cases, helping treat eye infections, prevention of osteoporosis. 6. Aesthetic benefits. Despite the many benefits of pomegranate in the medical field, it has also proven its effective role in the cosmetic field, as it contributes to slowing down the aging process, thanks to the unique components of antioxidants, which work to protect the skin and cells from the aging process. Pomegranate juice benefits. Nutritionists explain that eating half a cup of pomegranate juice daily is equivalent to a portion of fruit that contains 60 calories. Eating pomegranate in the form of natural juice may be better than eating the seeds of the fruit itself, due to the reduction in the level of antioxidants when getting rid of the pomegranate peel. Pomegranate juice benefits include: natural antioxidant, boosts the digestive system, fights diabetes, it treats infections, protects the heart, it strengthens memory, improves fertility and sexual performance.